Hello Hacktubers and welcome back to my channel, and today I have very different product that I found on AliExpress. And what do you think? What is it? What it says in the title? Brushless motor, and the model is A2208, and you can choose different kilowatts, 1100, 1400, 1800, brushless motor fixed wing airplane car board model drone. They have different sizes, and this thing is something new for me, and I have chosen, I think, which one was it? I think that I choose 1800 kilovolts 12T, I think, and the price is around $9 from AliExpress. And also for this thing you need a controller. Also I got that, but first we're gonna unbox the motor. Let's do that. And no bubbles. Back in the back. One more back. Oh, this looks beautiful. And it's something new for me. And what does it say? 1800 kV 10T. What does it mean, kV? Kilovolts? And also they are coming with this holder and screws. Whoa. And I asked Mr. Google, what does it mean, kV for brushless motor? And he says, for brushless motors, kV is the motor's velocity constant. It measures the number of revolutions per minute. The motor will spin for every volt of electricity applied without any load. No propeller or pinion gear attached. For example, 2000 kV motor powered by 10 volts battery will spin at theoretical maximum of 20,000 rotations per minute. Oh, as I told you, this is something new for me, and it says that the model is A2208 10T. I don't know what does it mean. 1800 kV. It have 3 wires, so you can control the motor, and this thing should be super fast. We're gonna measure the rotations with my tool. And now let's see the controller that I also ordered from AliExpress. And here it is, and for around $5 you can get this 30 amperes controller. And also on this thing you need to attach the Servo test controller. This one I have it, here it is. But this 30 amperes 12 volts high power brushless motor speed controller 3-phase regulator PWM brushless motor. Okay, I ordered it, of course, and I got it. Again, no bubbles. Oh, what is happening? Oh, here it is, and we have 3-pin wire that probably need to connect to the servo. We have red wire, black wire, this is for powering probably, and 3 wires that need to be connected to the brushless motor. Okay. And in description what it says about this controller, that the rated working voltage is from 6 to 12.8 volts, current rating 32 amperes, that is maximum, or 40 amperes, sorry, nominal power 360 watts, rated power 5 volts 0.5 amperes. What does it mean? Temperature protection 110 degrees, speed range from 8 to 98%, for motor poles 2 to 18 pole. Good to know. So the first problem that I saw is that on the brushless motor we have this kind of connectors, and on the controller we have only the wires without connectors. So I figure out to use this XT60 because they're perfect match. Take a look. Beautiful. And now I'm gonna solder the wires from the controller to these connectors. Let's do that first. Also, I check on the internet that the polarity, if the motor rotates opposite, you can change the wires. So I'm going to try it like this first. Alright. As I said, this 3-pin wire need to be connected on the servo, and be careful on polarity. We have black, red and white. The black goes to negative, red on positive and white on out of the servo, just like this. Nice. And here we're gonna apply 8 volts just for testing. But before that, I need to give a shout out to my supporters on my Ko-fi page. The link will be in description below. Here it is, the latest supporter, John Tenoy, and he wrote, "Hi, have you any videos showing how to get started with the CYD cheap yellow display with text and icons?" John Tenoy, very soon I will upload a video how you can program the cheap yellow display with step-by-step tutorial. It will be very soon. By the way, one more time, thank you for supporting my channel. Everything is connected, and you can see that the servo with the blue LED indicates that it's working. And take a look, I need to hold it. It's working! And it's spinning! You can hear it, yeah! It's super fast! Wow! So, using this servo tester, you can control the brushless motor through the controller, and now it's going super slow. It's super fast. Ooh, I like this brushless motor. By the way, all the links will be in description below so you can check it. And now I'm gonna use my tool, this, for measuring rotations per minute, digital tachometer. Test, but first, oh, I forgot, I need to cut one of these reflecting. How to attach it? Okay, I'm gonna figure out. Okay, I have attached the tape, the reflecting tape. I'm gonna start the motor. Let's measure it. What it says, 5,800 rotations per minute. Oh, it changed to 3,700. Let's go a little bit more. Okay, now it's almost 7,000 rotations per minute. Let's go a little bit more. Whoa. The tachometer can catch it. Whoa, now it's 10,500 rotations. Let's go more, let's go to the maximum. And it's pulling from the power supply 1 ampere. 17,000 rotations per minute. This is super fast. Maybe it's a little bit dangerous holding this thing in my hand. Whoa, can you see that? Wow. Anti-gravity. Wow. Is it hot? Nope. Wow. I really like these brushless motors. I never had a motor like this one. I can do a lot of interesting projects using the motor and the controller. Love it. And it have a torque. What will happen if I... Wow! Take a look, the wires are moving from the power of the motor. Wow! Okay. There will be more videos testing this brushless motor, and I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna do it. But so far, that's it. Okay, I hope you liked today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. I need to add this holder.